And if you have a compatible device that's already utilizing the smart app, it will automatically send you a notification saying, hey, I just identified a new lamp that's connected to your network. Would you like to stop? What up, techies and gamers? It's your boy Jermaine with Tech Toys and Gaming. And in today's video, I have a nice, cool little treat for you, and it is this cool RGB floor lamp by Jofar. The company was kind enough to send me this as a review sample to check out what this is all about, how nice it is, how bad it may be, and some of the improvements that may need to occur, or maybe none, right? Maybe it's the perfect device, perfect floor lamp with all of the features and things you like in this one box. And this is the device right here. Why did I fall back so far? And this is the cool device that I probably just broke by slamming it. And this is the cool device by Jofar I'm referring to, the RGB floor lamp. Now, I do have a lamp that is very similar to this that I bought some time ago, and it costs quite significantly more. It costs quite $1 more than this actual Jofar. Gotta get the ring of that Jofar. And this device itself, but it looks like this is actually a more modern, more feature-packed device than my actual lamp that I have now, which I bought over a couple years ago, actually. So yeah, more modern technology built into this, lower price. Maybe I'll have to do a swap for it, but I don't know if it's the same size because the one I have is pretty big and large and huge. What? Those three words are the same. Why am I repeating? We're gonna take a look at this really quickly in a matter of seconds. It's always 3 seconds. I know I gotta do a countdown and make it special. 3, 2, 1. Maybe I'll do it fast, really quick like the Flash. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hi, techies and gamers. So there are quite a few pieces in this particular box that I have not encountered in my previous light. The difference between that light and this one is the lighting situation here. So this is actually done with a strip light here. Techies and gamers, strip lights like I have in the back. I just recently reviewed those strip lights, so if you're interested in some kind of setup like that, check the link in the description right there. It's gonna go to you and you're gonna come back. What am I talking about? What? But these strip lights are quite unique. The strip itself is encased in basically like a rubber casing you would put on a phone or something, right? So I guess it keeps it protected, lasting long for a long time. Lasting long for a long time. What does that mean? Along with that, it also has an actual controller, techies and gamers, compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant, right? So you can actually voice control these lights and obviously control with the remote that comes with it in case you don't feel like talking, you want to press a button, which takes more effort than talking. Why? All right, techies and gamers, so I'm going to go into a quick little speed build to build this lamp up, just so you can see and spare you the time of waiting for me to build this, which will probably take me 6 months. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Wait, actually, you're gonna be right here. Watch me. And just like that, Tech Easy Gamers, I have it all built and all set up. With regards to build, I had a little trouble pushing down the spring to tighten the top piece on. It was a little bit feisty with me, so I had to put a little bit of force, and eventually I got it down, but it worked just fine. So what we're gonna do is we're going to actually power off these backlights and just see how we can actually get this turned on. Tech Easy Gamers. Setting it up over Wi-Fi was a cinch. It was basically just launching your Smart Life app. You definitely have to be connected to your 2.4 gigahertz because that's what the app's gonna request. You connect to your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi in the home, and then you put your lamp into a ready state, right? So that way it's ready to synchronize. The way you do that is you hold the power button, as I'm showing you here, for a few seconds, and your light begins to blink red, right? Blinks rapidly. Once it's blinking rapidly, that means it is ready to be paired and connected to your network. And from there, all you have to do is actually pick a room that's going to be designated to, whether it's your family room, master bedroom, the garage, the yard. I don't think that's on there as an option. You can name your device to whatever you like to name it. And once you name it, and if you have a compatible device that's already utilizing the smart app, it will automatically send you a notification saying, hey, I just identified a new lamp that's connected to your network. Would you like to stop? I forgot I can't say name because she's just always listening. Tech Easy Gamers. She automatically adds the lamp to your network, and you can just simply name where it's going to be and you're ready to go. For example, I didn't rename the device. It's still called Smart Light. So if I tell turn on the Smart Light, she'll turn on the Smart Light. So it's easier if you actually already own devices that are on the Smart Life ecosystem, right? And if you have the app, other RGB lights in your house, which I do have another lamp like this in the house on that app, it will automatically. Now there are a number of modes you could utilize on the Smart Life app. You'll see that it starts off with the red color, but I can easily just turn that to any color I would like on the app. Green, blue, this little cylindrical color wheel we have here. Lots of features. I can control the brightness, bring it down, bring it up. Then you have the white mode, which is actually the different types of white you can have. You can turn it to a warmer white, like so, and you can turn it to a cooler white. Then you have this static mode here. I guess these are just kind of features, right? If you go over to Christmas, it'll do a Christmas kind of color. Yeah, so there are a number of modes. There's dynamic. You can actually have it at 100% brightness, control the speed of these kind of effects. Now, the beautiful thing about these lights is that it's a strip light that's going right up the column of the light itself. And as you can see, it can actually dynamically control the light wave because you can light up individual LEDs that are on the strip light individually, like so. So this is called Cylon, and that is looking quite sweet. Techies and gamers, I'm already falling in love with this, and this has already beat out the current lamp I have at my house, right? So I might have to swap it out, we'll see. So local music. So if I have a TV going and I want to create this kind of special effect, sound effect on my movie watching experience, or techies and gamers, if you're a gamer, this is also an awesome way to game. Is it precise? Nice? Ice, rice. Why am I always thinking of food? Hi, techies and gamers. So I'm gonna close it out with my overall opinion. You've seen my excitement in doing the testing with the app and going through the features. So you already know I'm gonna give this 5 flashes, right? Because with all the things I can do with this versus what I can do with the lamp I have now, I'm really kind of sold on this device. It's really cool, really fun to have. Works awesome with the app, with music, the different types of things you can do with it. The setup is great, the hardware setup is great. The only thing I would say is that trying to get that top piece when you're kind of snug it on, that was really tough to get that little spring-loaded toe to go down and get the top piece to go on top. That's my only critique. Aside from everything else, the construction, the hardware build, the fact that it uses a light strip and the lights can be dynamic, and you can control the lights pretty much any which way you want. You can actually create custom lighting, and the possibilities are kind of limitless, techies and gamers. So I definitely give this 5 flashes. As usual, like, subscribe, all that great stuff to keep me going and flowing and motivated. And if you like this device, go ahead and click the link in the description. Take you straight to where you need to go. Not bad coming in at the price it's coming in at. Right now, there's a 30% discount on it, so you can get it for a flat $60, plus tax, of course, depending where you live. I think it's worth the money for $60. I paid $100 for mine, and it doesn't do nearly half the stuff this thing does. So I think this is a great steal and deal, techies and gamers. So as usual, thank you for watching. I appreciate all the companies that reach out to me and offer tech to review and all that stuff. You're much appreciated. All right, techies and gamers, and I'll see you in my next video, my next life, and my next foot washing, because I do wash my feet. I hope you do too. Later.